So friends, today's question is write a program to determine whether a number is equal to sum of its proper positive divisor. So how can you write such program? So let me explain. So first of all, you can, and so this is the code of Python. So first of all, you have to create a function, any function. First of all, we have to check. So the question is, we have to verify we have to find those number which is equal to sum of its divisor. Fine, and such number are called perfect number. So we are checking actually is the number is perfect number or not. So how can we do that? So first of all, we have to initialize our sum that we are going to verify is it equal to the number itself. So first of all, we have to declare our divisor sum. Then we have to iterate 1 to n minus 1 and check whether the following numbers is divisor or not. Once it is divisor, it will add up in divisor sum. So all the number which are divisible will be sum to the divisor sums. Fine. So once we get the sum of all the positive divisors, now it's time to check the number whether the number is equal to the sum of a positive divisor or not. So we just need to use if condition. So if divisor sum is equal to number, then return true. If it is not, then false. Fine. Now we can test our case. So I'm gonna run this code again also. Just wait a minute. So the number. So first of all, we have to take a number as an input, and we'll call our function is perfect number, and we'll put this number input as a parameter in this function. If the number is perfect, it will return true. Or if the number is false, it will return false obviously. So let's see. So let's run this code. So guys, we are going to run our code. Let's tap on run. So it will ask for a number. So right now I'm using my mobile because my PC is not working, and I have to pose this question as soon as possible because one of my student is asking this question. So enter a number. Let's put number 4 and enter. Let's tap on enter. So 4 is not a perfect number. So what are those numbers? What are the perfect numbers which is equal to the sum of its divisor? Let me guess. I don't remember those numbers. Though you can put those number here and see which numbers are perfect number. So yeah, that's how it works. Hope you like it. Home Business Institute. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.